there, we want to get into siding. Sometimes siding happens on a home and it's not done correctly. So let's take what we got. So they wanted to not have to worry about windows here. And we have a situation where they did not transition it correctly from the siding and roof. Let's take you outside. You can see where that is buckling. So we've had water that has just been streaming down behind there, causing buckling and other issues. So we're going to take the siding off of there. We're going to get some new OSB on here. And then also it has been affecting the subfloor all on this side of the house as well. So very common type of situation that if it goes unresolved, it is going to cause quite a bit of issues in the long run. So we're gonna take care of that by taking off the siding, putting up new OSB there, making sure it's flashed correctly up top on the outside of the home, and put the siding back on, fix the subfloor, and then we'll be back in business.